Friends, today we are going to see the lead code problem 392 is subsequence. Okay, we are given two strings and we need to check if string S is a subsequence of string T. Okay, what is a subsequence? Means we need to check all the letters in a string is present in the same order as an S in the letter in the string T. Okay, so for example, we are given a string A, B, C, S and T, S, A, H, B, G, D, C. Let's check all the characters A, B and C. Okay, all are present in the T in the same order. So then is S is a subsequence of T. So how we are going to implement in a code? Okay, I have written a Python code where I have loop in iterating both the strings character by character and checking if the first string is present in the second string or not. Okay, so if it is each character or the letter is present in the string T, then we are incrementing the value I and we are checking if the length of the string S is matching with the I, which means all the characters, all the letters are present in the string T. All right, and also we are checking J equal, we are incrementing the J here, which means once the character or the letter is found in T, we are not going back in the string, we are not going to the right from the beginning. We are just checking from where we left. So we are incrementing here. All right, guys, the solution is very simple. Just go through it. Thank you for watching. Bye.